They'll have strict objectives to achieve in this event game. Can they emerge victorious?
And the away team have gone with this lineup.
A cheer goes up as we start the match. Safety first, back to the goalkeeper.
Oh, and dispossessed there. Mbappe! Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further? Vardy on the ball.
And he's stayed onside. Donnarumma saves. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bastoni with a tackle. Gascoigne making his move now. Surely now. Goal for Mbappe. He's scored a brace. Here's a replay of that great goal. Him. It'll be a throw-in now. He steps up to steal the ball. Yamal. He could be punished for that mistake. Played back to the goalkeeper. Definite offside there, no question at all. Reinders with the ball. Koundé in possession. Mendes wins the ball. What a chance! And it's there!
The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
Gascoigne has the ball. And that's a midway point. It's 2-1 and both teams have found the net, but one team have the advantage. So, we're ready to go again for another 45 minutes. The passing has been pretty poor today. Heads it on. Vardy on the ball. That was a bad pass. Valverde tackles. It's off the bar. The referee has his work cut out. We're seeing a lot of tackles go in. He's taken back possession. The game seems to be mostly played in the losing team's half. Time for a change of tactics, perhaps. The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. Nuri has it. Rodri, great run. Kim Min-jae wins the ball. Gabriel with a tackle. Mendes. He's got the ball and is in full sprint.
Oh, it's a clear chance. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
He's running at the opposition. A long-distance pass.
Well, the players are warming up on the touchline. Is it time for a change?
Hakimi tackles. Oh, that's a poor pass. Cristiano Ronaldo. The end of the game is approaching. Can they rescue the result with a late goal? He went in too heavily there. The player has elected to take it. Can a goal come from this chance? It looks like another player is going to take it. A crucial save at a crucial time. A careless pass there. And there's the full-time whistle. An extraordinary game. It's all over.